What are you doing? Are you biting your tail? Get it. Give me it. Don't bite your tail. You never bite. You teaching the boys and girls a bad lesson. See, when you bite your tail, they might want to bite their nails. Tails, nails, get it? You don't want them to pick up bad habits, do you? And then why are you biting your tail? Don't do that, okay? Boys and girls, he'd like to tell you a story. You tell him a story. Oh, yeah? Yep, tell him a story. How about McDonald's story? Okay, I'll tell him a story. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a lion. A lion? You want me to tell the story? E-I-E-I-O, ah!